So this is how what's it called? This is how this is how GPS is looking. GPS is looking like because after using what's it called? After using the rubbish Forex factory, I had like two losses in a row. Yes, I think one and two. So I've come to the conclusion that I might just have to stick with FXTM. I might just have to stick with trading with charts because this Forex factory do not help any matter. So obviously the GJ loss and UJ loss I calculated the loss before taking it. But as usual, profit now they slid me. There was another news by 130, so they just slid me. Then they slid me by about I think it's 70 cents or thereabout. So I've lost the challenge. So if I can show you, let me even show. I've lost the challenge. So if I can show my MT5. So this is the current balance. Let me just show it to you. 463. 463 is the current balance. Quite sad. So actually, let me just go ahead. This is how GU is looking obviously here. And then it's the same thing GU. Let me scroll down there. This is same GU. This GJ. So GG buys went against me. So obviously the market is down for itself. So no issue. I had no issue with this at all. So I saw the risk, calculated risks, and took the risk. So and UJ too. UJ can see how market stop load the third entry. I think yes, third entry was here. Stop loss was there. So market just came, took me out. At least I think it's currently running on a 1 to 1. It's currently running on a 1 to 1. This is the UJ. Yeah, so I don't think I'll be needing this rubbish Forex factory chart. It's so annoying. Just lost money. See the buy. It's almost if I had money, I would have entered this buy again and lost money. So I'm going to now. I think I'm just going to trade GU. I'm going to trade trading view chart like I said. Let me go to see the. Let me not enter my email. Let me just go to the Good Funded platform. So my account is officially Xed. Let me. I want to use this as my. I want to use this picture as my profile. What's it called? So I'm trying to take a picture. So I've lost my account. I have lost my account. So this guys can see this is my account. This guy slipped me. This guy slipped me. It's very annoying. He slipped me very annoying. So no. I've failed. You can see it here. I failed daily drawdown. So how are we going to do now after successfully passing stage 1, stage 2? Then did drawdown. I calculated the loss, but this guy decided to sleep me instead. This guy decided to sleep me instead. So it is what it is. So we have to. I don't know what I have to do now. So this is end of an era. I think I've been trading this account since view credentials, view dashboard, since calendar, since yes, May the 1st, May, July, Is it April? Okay, since April 30th, I'm trading this account. Yeah, April 30th. April, May, and this June. This is June 17th. So it is what it is. So anyway, the GU that made me the trade that made me start fumbling on GU was this GU. From here, I should have known better. I know that obviously market should come down, but I didn't. I was threatened. I should have figured out knowing that market should come down, but no. I was going for trading view Forex factory rubbish instead. So, so now the next step obviously will be we are going to see that. So I think that's that for now. I think I should end. I should end. Should I use my pouch instead? Let me see. I need to get a nice. I need to get a nice what's it called? Picture for the YouTube thumbnail. So maybe after this video, I'll just get some the thumb. After this video, I'll get the thumbnail.
Give me my handset.
You go with now. Come.
Give me my handset. Every
Give me
time
one
you
minute.
occupy my handset, I want to make you